Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add the Google Workspace DMARC and DKIM records in your domain cPanel. Before that, I would like to explain what is the DMARC and DKIM records. DMARC record is a domain-based message authentication reporting and conformance. It's an email authentication protocol that helps to protect your domain from email spoofing and phishing attacks. Next one is the DKIM record. DKIM record is the domain keys identified mail. It is an email authentication protocol that allows the senders to digitally sign their email messages to verify. Now I am going to show you how to add the records in your domain cPanel. Here I am using GoDaddy for adding my records. Now I am going to open the GoDaddy. You can simply open your GoDaddy account using this URL www.godaddy.com. Now I am going to open my GoDaddy account. From this right side corner, there is one sign in option is available for enter your username and password. Now I am going to enter my username and password. After entering your GoDaddy credentials, it will show the home page of your account. And there is one domain name. There is one manage domain option is available for managing your domain. You can simply click on this manage domain option. Then you can click on this DNS option for adding new records. Then you can click on this add new record button for adding your DMARC record. Now I am going to add my DMARC record provided by Google Workspace. There is one option is available for choose your record type. Now I am going to choose my record type as TXT. Then you can enter your record name. This is our DMARC record name. Now I am going to add my DMARC value. This is the DMARC value provided by Google Workspace. Now I am going to enter my TTL value. Here I am using 3600 seconds. Then you can save. Now the DMARC record has been updated. Now you can add our DKIM record. Before adding the DKIM record, we need to generate the DKIM record from your Google Workspace admin console. Now I am going to open my Google Workspace admin console. You can simply open this admin console using this URL admin.google.com. Now I am going to enter my administrator username and password. From this Google Workspace Admin Console dashboard, you can simply click on this Apps option, then the Google Workspace, then the Gmail. There is one option is available, Authenticate Email, Set up Email Authentication DKIM. You can simply click on this option for generating new DKIM record. Then you can click on this Generate New Record. Now I am going to generate new DKIM record. Then click on this generate option. Now our DKIM record is available. You can simply copy and paste it to GoDaddy. Now I am going to add my DKIM record name. Record type is the TXT. So you can click on this add new record option. Now I am going to choose this TXT. Then you can enter your DKIM record name. This is our DKIM record name provided by Google Workspace. So I am adding to GoDaddy. Now we can add our DKIM value. Just copy and paste it. Then the TTL. I am going to add 3600. Then save. After adding this DKIM record, we need to start this authentication. So I am just refresh this page. Now we can start this authentication. Okay. Basically, this is a procedure for adding this DMARC and DKIM records. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching our video.